Okay, take a look here. I'm trying to illustrate that the USB ports on this mini PC I purchased aren't working. You can see, my monitor is not waking up. I'm going to remove the USB dongle for the mouse and now plug it in on the other side where the USB ports work. They're all Gen 3.2 USB-A ports. There's 3 in the back, 2 in the front. 2 in the front seem to work fine, as you can see. The one in the back, however, doesn't. Watch now as I unplug it and plug it back in here. This might take a little bit of finesse to get it in there. It's kind of tricky. I'm just gonna set this down. Oops. Wait now. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna happen in this video, guys. Because it's under these wires here. But that's why I've chosen this port to put that dongle in, because it's the most inaccessible one. So logically, it just makes the most sense to put it into this one. But as you can see, and I'm about to show you, oh boy, it doesn't work. Okay, there. I managed to plug it in there. Can you see it in there? It's in there. Wait, how about now? Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. There it is. There it is, that silver thing down in there. So, but here, look, the PC did not wake up. Is this not a clear illustration that something's wrong with this Geekom mini PC?